another Savior. Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is 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 another Savior. Holy, is another Savior. Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Another Savior. Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Somebody's here. Hold on. Audience. IPOB. One family. IPOB. One family. IPOB. One family. Nnamdi Kanu. Freedom. 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 Oh, hey, Biafra. Referendum is not a crime. Okay, relax now. Yeah. There was a notification that if you are Parliament Hill and the British High Commissioner, my name is Azuki Kemosia, and the Minister of
Can you listen?
Audience! Consular Affairs. And we are well aware of developments back in Nigeria. So we welcome you. Thank you. We appreciate your compassion for the cause, which is universally, globally acceptable. The bill of the right to self-determination is captured by the UN Charter for People's Rights. So, having come here, I want to thank you for your efforts that you were able to come here. But I want to assure you that, I'm not a lawyer. It's another Savior, holy, holy.
Yes.
La 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 la.